Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to instantly brighten and lift your face using a really easy technique. And this can be achieved by using a triangle technique on the face that will instantly lift and brighten your features, giving you that Instagram model glow without the filter. So if you guys would like to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. So I came across this video a few times actually while I was on Instagram today, and I found it really interesting and a really cool technique to try to recreate. So I'm going to do that for you guys today. So pretty much it is a method of lifting your face in a very symmetrical shape to give you that nice lifted supermodel look. So we're gonna try that right now, and I do not take credit for coming up with this technique. I am simply recreating it just for fun and seeing how it looks on me. So the girl is actually using the LA Girl Pro Concealer, so I'm gonna go in with that, and I'm in the shade Natural. So pretty much what you do is that you draw a triangle from your eyebrow to your cheekbone and to like the side of your mouth right here, and like following like this line right here from like the end of your eyebrow all the way down. Same thing on the other side, and then across, and that's supposed to give you a nice symmetrical shape for your face. So I'm actually going to rewatch the video really quickly. So I'll actually show you guys the video and how the girl was doing it. This is the video.
Draw an upside down triangle from the ends of your brows to your cupid's bow and fill it in with concealer or foundation that is lighter than the rest of your face. Blend that out and there you have it. This technique enhances your natural face structure and gives you a very healthy glow.
Okay, it's from the end of your brows to your cupid's bow. So now I'm gonna take that on the back of my hand, warm it up. So we're going to draw. Like that. And the other side. Grabbing a little bit more concealer. So that's the shape right there. Okay, so I'm actually going to grab a concealer brush. This is a concealer brush from Eco Tools, and I'm going to actually blend that upwards using very light strokes. I'm going to blend that in an upward motion. Like that. And then I'm going to grab the Beauty Blender. And you guys can already see how my face is like lifting upwards. And I'm bouncing very lightly, so everything is nice and seamless. Like that. See the before and after. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just like blending upwards. That. Okay, and then grab the Beauty Blender and very gently. Now I'm going to blend the top. And as I blend, I'm patting in very gently so it blends away. But you guys can see like how my face just like lifted up. Oh my god. It actually worked. There we go. Oh my god, so weird. Wow. Okay, super cool. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. I'm gonna brush my eyebrows up. And I'm going to be filling them in very natural. Just using very light strokes. Like that, really soft natural brow. Okay, so I filled in my eyebrows and already I can tell like how much higher my cheekbones look. Like it's super cool. Okay, next we're gonna go in with bronzer. I'm gonna take my bronzer from number 7. This is in the shade Maple, and I'm gonna grab a small contour brush, and I'm going to contour around right on the outside of that triangle that we applied. Okay, so I'm just gonna carefully just bronze like right under that triangle. Like that. Top of the hairline. Okay, all right, I actually just realized I didn't do my concealer, so I'm gonna go in with the Born This Way concealer. I'm in the shade Light Beige, and I'm going to conceal under the eye, being very careful not to mess up the contour that we just put on. So I'm just gonna do a dot right there. Dot right there. Can I do 2 dots right there, and on the outside. I've been doing my concealer this way now after watching, well, not watching, binge watching Robert Welsh, and I absolutely love how he explains makeup, and this is his concealer trick. And I've been really liking it a lot lately because it's just like, because honestly we just don't need that much product, you know, and I really like his approach to makeup. Like you can really tell that he's a professional, you know. So I'm just gonna blend that in to the skin. Okay, so I just put a little bit of powder under my eyes to set my eye makeup, but while that sets, I'm gonna go ahead and powder the face. I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder just to dust very lightly on the face. Guys, if my eyes are red, my allergies are really bad right now, so I really apologize. I'm going to go back in with the bronzer since I just applied concealer. And I'm just going to quickly go over those areas again. Right underneath the triangle. And I'm going to do the sides of my nose as well. And I'm going to go for a very natural blush. I'm gonna use Melba from MAC, one of my favorites. But I'm trying to find like a cruelty-free alternative to this one, so if you guys know of any, please let me know. Now I'm gonna place the blush higher up on the cheek. Just like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of blush on my nose as well. So for a bit of a highlight, I'm gonna grab actually my Dior highlighter. Looks like that. It's like a peachy, it's like a champagne peachy gold color. And I'm gonna go in with my powder brush actually, because I don't want this to go on heavy at all. I'm gonna grab just some like that. Just gonna tap it in like that, dust off the excess, and then just powder it on so we get like a nice subtle glow. On my nose and up here. And I'm gonna put some on the Cupid's bow. Okay, so that's the skin. Really nice and natural skin. So I'm gonna finish off the eyes with a little bit of eyeliner on the top lash line and some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so for lips, I am going to be mixing Rimmel number 14 and Bare Minerals matte liquid lipstick in Swag. But first I'm gonna go in with my NYX pencil. This is in the color Nude Truffle, one of my favorites. So now I'm gonna go in with the lipstick. And I'm gonna put Swag on top. I love the name Swag. And I'm gonna blend it in with my finger. Actually, this lip is a little cool toned. Actually, let me try Praline from NYX. Actually, I'm gonna go in with a bit of Honey from NYX, the butter glosses. Just to warm it up, because I realize that the lip is a little bit cool for what I have going on. Yeah, so much better. Okay guys, and that is the finished look. Oh my god. I'm gonna fix my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. Oh my god, I feel like my face just has like so much more light to it. And I feel very snatched. I feel like very lifted, but at the same time not overly done and natural. This is such a cool trick. I hope you guys get to try it out, because it really is such a cool hack to give your face so much more light and dimension without using too much product. Because you know, like how sometimes on Instagram you're not really sure if something works, or if it's just like for clicks, if it's just like one of those like nothing type of tutorials that don't really do anything except but be clickbait, you know. I feel like this really does work. You know, I came across the video today and I can't stop looking at myself. I have a top on, by the way, just in case you were wondering. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick and random tutorial, and I hope you guys get to try it out. It really does lift your face in the most beautiful and flattering way. I think this is a really cool technique. I'm gonna start to implement it more in my daily routine because I just love the effect that it gives. It really does make you look so just so snatched and illuminated. If you guys try this out, please let me know in the comments. I would really love to know how this worked for you. This is my first time doing it and it was not difficult at all. It was really easy to do. Anyways, if you like this video and would like to see more videos like this, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye!